So today we're on the hunt for the carbohydrates for my Christmas dinner, which you just watched. So as you already heard, we used some cattails or bulrushes as we refer to them in the UK. They're very easy to identify. They're sort of iconic, sort of cone shape, look like a corn dog or an American sort of hot dog sort of thing on the top. And during the summer months, these are actually edible sort of on here, but during the winter months they actually make a really good source of tinder. Take these out, fluff them up, and then they take a spark really easy. So that's what I'm going to do with these. So I'm going to harvest, but what we want to do today is get the roots, which is right down the bottom. I hope they're going to be easy to pull out because I did forget the spade. So I do have a knife, and that's what we need to hopefully dig down, but hopefully they're going to pull out quite easy. And the roots, you can eat them raw, or you can boil them up to make like a potato sort of type of substance. So that's what I'm going to be doing with mine. As you already saw, I'm going to boil them up and actually make that a potato supplement for my Christmas meal. And I'm going to keep a couple of these bulbs at the top as well, just to dry them out and actually make some really good flash tinder. It's flash tinder. It goes up really quickly. So you have a load of this and put some other stuff with it, and that takes a spark really easy when it's dried out. So let's get the camera down here and let's hopefully pull this one. I'm not going to decimate the entire area because I want them to come back. I want to be coming back here, so I'm going to take probably one from here. There's two clumps behind us as well, so I'll take one from each clump. Depending on how big the root structure is, how many do I need so I can run there. So let's have a quick look there, see how easy this actually is. Oh, look at that! That's lovely. That's a lovely root sort of sitting on here. So we're going to use oh, dear me, can't actually get myself in shot. Okay, that's a lovely root. Yeah, we've got a couple of roots coming off. You can eat the fibres as well, so they actually make good food as well. But again, in the summer months, they're a lot nicer. They're greener. The winter months they sort of die down a little bit. So we're going to wash this up into the stream just here. We're going to grab a couple of more first, and then we'll rinse them all off, cut them all up, process them, and get them back for the stew pot. Oh, God, this one's hard. Should have bought the shovel. Oh, snapped it at the bottom. Okay, this one could not get the roots up, so that would probably grow a grain anyway, but it's still got some good carbohydrates in the stem, and we've still got a bulb on the top as well, so not all failed. Sticking myself again. Sticking out. Oh, this water's cold. No, just got the white cuss. I think that'll probably be it. I'll just use this as the carbohydrates. We've got one root, and we've got a very boggy smell. Needs to be cleaned up. Okay, if you're wondering, this is a derelict line. Just about another 50-60 metres up that way, it comes to complete. The track just disappears. Sort of on this an old line in Norfolk. There's a lovely walk. I've walked around here before with the kids. I'm going to bring my scouts around here as well. It's only about 4 or 5 miles. There's loads of little circuit routes starting at the train station up to an old castle sort of monastery in ruins now, really really nice in North Elm. And then it comes around the back to a dove tower, and then come back here. I'll put a few photos on here as well when I've walked the kids around so you can see that. Nice little walk. Now we need to prepare some of this stuff now and make it easier to carry back. So the first thing is I've got my roots, so I'm going to quickly go down to the, I don't want to lose that actually. Actually I'm going to snap them off I think if I just snap them off. Yeah, I've got my 2 roots. Yeah, so the 2 roots are there. We'll cut this bulb off. I've only got my little knife with me today. God, it's hard. I'll maybe not cut it there, let's cut it a bit further up then. Yeah, so we don't need that. We'll take it about up to here, I think. Have a look at this, just peel some of this back and see if we've got some nice, see what the core's like inside it. Well, we're getting somewhere. You want to try and get down to the white stuff. You don't want any of this brown horrible gunk on the outside of it. It's all slimy still. Try and get it down to manageable sizes. God, it's tough, I'll tell you that. There we are, we're getting somewhere. I think that one, probably a little bit more work on that. Let's have a look at another one. We've got some big ones here. I think I might be better off with this one, other than that really small one. Let's scrape it off, I think. I'm going to try it, make sure it's okay. Just clean this little bit off. There we go, that's probably easier. That shave it off a little bit. Just a little bit of woodworking really. Right, there we go. It's actually quite sweet. I can't actually bite it, the fibres are so tough. It's like eating wood, but it's got a nice sweet taste to it. So I'm happy with that. I'm going to harvest this, clean it all up, bag it up into the bag, and we'll get ready to see what else we can find. For the heads, to make some nice tinder, so I'll dry that up, I'll fluff it up and put it into a little tinder box. Then I know I've got that tinder for another little small period of time. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you liked this little foraging sort of session, and you're enjoying this playlist. Leave a like down below. What would you have if you had a Christmas dinner as well? I'd like to see that. Just put your views on that down there. But just remember, it's better to be one with the wilderness than to fight and struggle. Until the next catch and cook or harvest or forage, I'll see you then. Bye for now. Gonna hate that of carbon steel. Oil it up, put it out in a bit.